Hey everyone, I'm Shashir, and on this channel I review the best SaaS tools that make your workflow smarter, faster, and more efficient. Today, I'm diving into EmailIt, an all-in-one email platform that lets you send transactional and marketing emails with ease using SMTP or API. If you've ever struggled with emails landing in spam, complicated dashboard setups, or slow delivery, this tool might save you a lot of time and frustration. So let's see what makes EmailIt a worthy alternative to SendGrid or Mailgun, and whether it's worth the $39 lifetime deal. EmailIt is an email sending platform that combines everything you need to send transactional and marketing emails in one place. You can either use the built-in campaign tools to create and send newsletters, or integrate EmailIt into your apps or websites via SMTP or REST API for automated transactional messages. It's designed for developers, e-commerce owners, and marketers who want full control without the complexity of traditional email services. Most email platforms make setup a nightmare. Endless DNS configurations, third-party integrations, and confusing pricing. EmailIt, on the other hand, focuses on speed, simplicity, and reliability. You can literally start sending emails in minutes. Just add your sending domain. Configure DNS records like DKIM, SPF, MX, and DMARC, and the platform checks them for you in real time. Then use either API or campaigns to start sending. That's it. No unnecessary steps. 1. Campaigns and audiences. EmailIt includes a built-in campaign wizard, where you can design and send newsletters, announcements, and promos directly from your dashboard. It also includes an audience manager, letting you create subscriber lists, import contacts, and segment audiences. So if you don't want to mess with external tools like MailChimp or SendGrid, this built-in setup is all you need. 2. SMTP and REST API integration. For developers, EmailIt supports full SMTP and REST API integration. That means you can connect it to your app, website, CRM, or even your custom backend. Whether you're sending password resets, order confirmations, or automated messages, the API makes it extremely easy to handle all email operations programmatically. Domain management and verification. Under the Domains tab, you can add any domain you own. Set up your DNS records, DKIM, SPF, MX, DMARC for improved deliverability. You can even enable or disable tracking for opens and clicks, depending on your privacy or analytics preferences. And the cool part, EmailIt automatically checks and verifies if your DNS setup is complete and correct, so you'll never send emails from an unverified or unsafe domain. 4. Tracking and analytics. You can track deliveries, opens, clicks, bounces, and failures. Everything appears neatly in your dashboard. Plus, you can set up webhooks for real-time event tracking, perfect for developers who want automated logs or analytics integrations. 5. Email verification tool. This is a major bonus feature. EmailIt includes a built-in email verifier, helping you clean your lists before sending campaigns. You can verify single emails manually, or upload entire lists in CSV or Excel format. The tool then checks for invalid, disposable, or risky emails, reducing bounce rates and improving sender reputation. Suppression management. Inside the suppression section, you can view all bounces and hard fails. You'll see which emails failed, why they failed, and when. This gives you full control to maintain a clean sender list and improve deliverability over time. User experience and interface. The interface is clean, simple, and minimal. Everything is exactly where it should be. No bloated menus or confusing workflows. From domain setup to campaign creation, every step feels fast and intuitive. The real-time verification for DNS and the clear delivery stats make the whole experience much smoother than most competitors. Pricing and plan. Here's where EmailIt really shines. You get lifetime access for just $59. One-time payment, no monthly subscription. That gives you access to built-in campaigns, SMTP and REST API, email verification, domain management, delivery tracking, and analytics. Considering competitors like SendGrid and Mailgun can easily cost $30 to $100 per month. This is a no-brainer deal if you need reliable email delivery without ongoing costs. Pros and cons. Super easy setup. Start sending in minutes. Built-in campaigns and SMTP API support. Real-time DNS verification. Excellent deliverability and fast sending speed. Clean dashboard and responsive support. Lifetime deal at an unbeatable price. Cons, but not deal breakers. Not ideal for sending millions of emails per month, best for small to medium senders. The campaign editor is simple, good for essentials, but not as fancy as MailChimp. Occasional small bugs that are actively being improved. These are minor trade-offs considering the price and lifetime access. If you're tired of complex and expensive email delivery services, EmailIt gives you exactly what you need: simplicity, control, and speed. It's perfect for developers, small businesses, and marketers who want to send both transactional and marketing emails with confidence. Setup takes minutes, the interface is smooth, and deliverability is top-notch. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable email delivery tool, EmailIt is definitely worth a try. You'll find my affiliate link to EmailIt in the description and pinned comment. Use it to support the channel at no extra cost to you. And credit goes to FreePick for some visuals used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.